Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how you can factory data reset your device, Vivo X Note or X Fold. So if in this device you want to wipe up all the data or you want to erase all the data and you want to reset your device to the factory settings, you can easily do it by the methods I will tell you. So before starting, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can factory data reset your device. Let's watch it.